Saurabh, you recently added new stock in your portfolio, that is Home Fast Finance. So why you added this stock in your portfolio? Currently we are going through high inflation rate and mostly the Home Fast Finance cater salary segment. So why you took this stock in your portfolio?
We see this space as very vibrant, with lots of growth prospects, and these two players, both of them, Aavas and Home First, have clean accounts, good corporate governance, have shown strong ability to deal with loan losses through COVID, well-capitalized balance sheets, and hence the Marcellus load up on both of these names. Logic is threefold. Firstly, we're continuing to see spectacular numbers in terms of formal sector job addition. So if you take the EPFO numbers, I think for the last 3 years or something like 30 to 35 million jobs created in the formal sector. I've never seen that sort of remarkable job creation in the formal sector. I haven't seen it in any country, let alone see it in India. Just to put it in perspective, 30 million jobs, that's the entire French labor force. That's the entire British labor force. That's what we have added. And even the recent EPFO prints on formal sector job creation stay very strong. The natural flow through of that will be mortgages, right? It will be home loans. It's a visceral human desire to have a roof over your head of your own. So that's the first piece, that there's a big story around formal job creation. This is the formalization of the country. It's showing up in job numbers.
We are back to normal and everything is open up and there is an opportunity for job creation. That was the reason you took this stock. Okay, fair enough. What is your second reason?
Second leg is the HDFC banks and Kotak banks in our portfolio focus on sort of lending to the people who are watching this, people like you and me, right? At the 10 lakh end of the home loan market, we don't see the high street banks being as visible, as relevant. And at that 10 lakh end, we're very keen to participate, because I think a lot of the formal job creation is not big ticket, incredibly well paid jobs. It's modest paying jobs, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakh per annum salary jobs. And that's where Aavas and Home First are very good.
So what is the difference between two companies?
Aavas does it more for the non-salaried class. In our office, we say for the Golgappa seller, Aavas provides a 10 lakh house, and Home First does it more for the salaried class. Say a sweeper working for a state government earning say 3 lakhs a year, Home First will give them a home loan.